Hello and good evening. So the Jamb result is out for the 2024 Jamb UTME. So the results are out. You can go check your results. So if you wrote your Jamb this year, candidates are advised to use the phone numbers they used to register to text UTME results to the number 55019, or you send it to the number 66019. There is no need yet for now to approach any CBT center or cyber cafe to check these results. So you can just simply text UTME result, text it to the number 55019 or 66019. So that is what you're supposed to do, to simply check your results, because the Jamb results are out. Please hit the subscribe button for more on news like this. We'll be having preparatory lessons for your post-UTME and for your WAEC, upcoming WAEC. Simply type in educateafrica.com so that you can follow our lectures, educateafricans.com. That is where all the lectures are for you to prepare for your Jamb, for your WAEC. That is the site, educateafricans.com. You see it here, educateafricans.com. Type it in your browser, educateafricans.com. You can see here, we have your WAEC past questions, all of them, physics, chemistry, the lectures itself. You can see them here, all the things you need to prepare, geography, commerce, all the subjects. If you need any special lesson, you can call my number. My phone number is +234 70 671 626 98.